While there are still transactions that you will need to complete in a branch, we're here to make sure that you can complete your transactions as conveniently as possible. With RCBC Online Banking, you can request your branch transactions online. Here's how. Go to rcbconlinebanking.com and log on to RCBC Online Banking. Click on Other Services. Then, click on RCBC Digital Concierge. Select your preferred branch to request your transaction. Then you can select from the list of services that you want to request. You can choose from any of the following services. If you need to replace an ATM card or reset your PIN, choose ATM Card Request. If you need to request for bank certification for Visa application, SEC certification, and more, choose Bank Certification. If you need to transfer funds worth more than 500,000 pesos to any local or international banks, choose Telegraphic Transfer. Depending on your preferred transaction, you will be asked to complete additional information, like your account name, account number, and other specifics relating to your request. Then click Submit Form. Review the details of your request and click Confirm to complete your transaction request. You will then receive an email and SMS confirming the submission of your request. Take note of your request reference number in the confirmation email. You will need this to keep track of your request or claim your ATM or bank certificate. An RCBC representative will reach out to you if there are details to be clarified when your request has been processed or when your card or bank certification is ready for pickup at your selected branch. All done! With the new Digital Concierge feature, completing your branch transactions is more convenient than ever. Not yet enrolled in RCBC Online Banking? Download the app now from App Store, Google Play, or Huawei App Gallery and enroll now.